Okay, what's happening in the kitchen?
Hi, and welcome back to the field kitchen. Another hot, sunny day in South Africa.
Just the way we like it?
Just the way we like it. And then if it's not hot enough, we're going to make a fire too. So today we're making two things. We are making flatbreads, and you can't just have flatbreads, so we're going to make flatbreads with koftas. Kofta is a kebab. It's made with minced meat, also another Middle Eastern inspiration, claimed by a couple of countries, but today we're doing it with more of a sort of a Turkish slant.
So what you got there? Your muesli?
Yeah.
You must say no, you stupid.
No, you stupid dumb toys.
You see, now you're having fun when you can call me names. So what you got there?
I have milk and water mixed together, room temperature, and in here I have 10 grams of yeast, instant yeast, and 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Okay, so what happened?
So I've added the yeast and the sugar to my warm milk, and I'm stirring now to dissolve the sugar, and then I'm going to find a nice sunny spot to activate the whole process.
If you're enjoying these episodes, why not give that like button a little tap? Share with your friends and hit subscribe. It's free and it keeps the YouTube algorithm happy, and us too. Show us some love by leaving a comment. It's the fuel that keeps us going to bring you more adventures. Thanks for tagging along on the journey. Okay, so how deep is your dough?
How soft and silky is my dough?
Okay, let me see.
Much better.
This is how you want it, not
This
much
is
better.
how you want it. I'm just going to grease the bowl and then put the dough back in and then put a damp tea towel on top.
Okay, gooi. some?
It's got chili. I don't know if he's going to love me very much. So you're actually working up with your hands to warm up the fat a bit.
Push it further up on the stick, the skewer. Push the skewer in. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to move him up. He can just be up there. Okay. Introducing a book.
It's upside down.
So introducing a book. This
is no ordinary book. This is our book.
Yes, it's called Let's Meet in Paradise, a food journey.
And it is 11 different countries that features the food and the adventures we experienced in each.
We are giving away 3 copies to 3 lucky subscribers. It will be a competition. We will be running it in the Angola series, so you have to keep watching. And to win, you have to
1. Answer each of the questions as they appear on the screen.
Randomly. So you're going to have to watch the whole series. Sorry, guys.
2. You have to be a subscriber.
That's for free. It's no big deal, but it helps us and you'll be sharing the love with us. So stay tuned on the Angola series to be eligible to win this amazing book. Many recipes, many adventures, and beautiful photography. So yeah, do it.
Just do it.
And good luck. Back to the channel. remember, if you like this channel, what do you have to do?
You have to like and
Subscribe.
please. We value your
Support.
subscriptions. And
We feel the love, and it's a free way to support us.